Hello students, it's me again. I'm going to be helping you with day 30. So let's get started. So it says match each graph with its factored form equation and standard form equation. Explain your process. First I blank, next I blank, then I blank, and finally I blanked. One option to do this is to go to desmos.com and you can insert each equation and then match it with the graph. So that's one option if you're like, no, I don't like Desmos, or how else could I do this? Let me show you. I'm gonna do this example. So we need to write two equations, one in factored form and one in standard form. The easiest one to obtain is the factored form. So it looks like this: y equals x minus p times the quantity x minus q. So what I need to do, I go to my graph and I look for the x-intercepts. Here's the x-axis. So I'm going to go to the x-intercept there and there. So you need to write two sets of parentheses, and don't forget your y equals. And you're going to need x. And the first one's -1. So when I go to the parentheses, I write the opposite. So I'm going to write +1 or +1. Then I go over here, this one's +3. So can you guess what I'm going to write in here? Yes, -3. And on all of these, A is 1. If you look at the graph and you go to the vertex, you go over 1 and you went up 1. You go over 1, you went up 1. And this vertical distance is your A, which is 1. Okay. So now that we figured out factored form, I'm going to figure out the standard form by multiplying. You can either use FOIL or the box method. I'm going to use the box method, and so on one side I put x plus 1, and on the other side I put x minus 3, and we're just going to multiply each and each square. So x times x is x squared, x times 1 is 1x, -3 times x is -3x, -3 times +1 is -3. Then we always have to add the like terms. -3x plus 1x is -2x. You put the x squared in the beginning, you put -3 at the end, and the y equals goes in front. Okay, let's talk about FOIL for a few minutes. You could use FOIL to multiply. So first times first, outer times outer, inner times inner, and then last times last. And I combine like terms and I get the same thing. Okay, I hope this video helps. If not, you can always email your teacher. Okay, see you soon and goodbye.